In this video, we'll guide you through accessing your archived Outlook inbox and calendar. Remember, as of August 1st, 2024, you will need to use your new student Gmail account to send and receive new emails and calendar invites. Since past emails are not being moved from Outlook to Gmail, you will continue to have access to your Outlook mailbox, but only for archival purposes, such as reviewing or forwarding emails received before the August 1st transition to Gmail. To access your Outlook archive, start by using your preferred web browser and navigating to outlook.miami.edu. To log in, enter your login ID and password, then select Sign In. Follow the prompts to authenticate with Microsoft Authenticator. Then select Continue to open Outlook. Within your archive email inbox, notice the reminder that your emails are now being forwarded to your new student Gmail inbox. To view an archive email, select it from your inbox. You may forward this archive email to your new Gmail account by selecting Forward and entering your login ID in the To field. Please note, you will only be able to use the Forward feature, not the Reply or Reply All features, and you can only forward this email to yourself via your login ID, not an email alias. Your calendar items, or events, also remain in Outlook for archival purposes. Like emails, events can be forwarded to your new student Gmail account. Note that events will forward as ICS files, a universal calendar file format, which you may need to download and then import into your Google Calendar. Step-by-step instructions are available on the Student Technology Help Desk website under Gmail Support. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.